can play approximately 10 different openings. So I would like to introduce you the first few moves of each opening, okay?
Sit.
So the first opening against d4 is d5. So when you start the game, you should play either d4 or e4, because these are the two best moves in this position. So I will also go over some e4 opening, but first let's start out with d4. When you play d4, black plays d5, c4, d takes c4. Anybody familiar with this opening? Raise your hand if you're familiar. Yes. Okay, good. I mean, you can play like this. That's good. Okay, let's see. All right. Yes. What's the name of this opening? Queen's Gambit. But you have to say something else. Queen's Gambit accepted. Okay, this is the Queen's Gambit accepted opening because he's accepting. He's taking the pawn. So remember, when you take the pawn, this is called Queen's Gambit accepted. Okay? I will be checking this, so I want everybody to pay attention, okay? So now there is a very nice trap that I want to show you, and you can use this actually to win some games if your opponent is not familiar with it. So you play e3. Now you're trying to take the pawn here. The best move in this position is to play knight f6 and just kind of give up the pawn and just try to develop. But some players will try to protect this pawn because they win a pawn, they try to protect it. But this is a bad move already. Now you play a4, putting pressure on b5. And now if you place a6, it's bad because you capture. And black captures, you're winning the rook. Okay? So that's why it's not a good idea to play a6. Now, most likely your opponent will play c6 here. And now you take. And now, I have a question for you here. White to play. Can you find a winning move here? White is winning a piece now if you find the right move here. It's not so easy to see because it's a kind of an unusual move, but black weakened his position here. Especially, he weakened the diagonal, and as you can see, you need to find a piece that is not protected and try to attack that piece here. It's a nice trap here, and white is winning a piece. Okay, let's give you a little bit more time. Try to see what can you play here to win the piece. Okay, yes. Queen where? Very good. Queen f3, and now you are attacking the rook because diagonal is very weak, and now he cannot really protect this rook. If he plays bishop b7, you can just take the bishop, so it's not good for him. So he has to play knight c6, but now you simply take, check, bishop d7 and queen a6, and white is up a piece in this position. Okay? Because if you take the rook, see, the queen is already protecting it. That's why. So you just go here and you're up a knight here. So let's go back again and take a look again. So the name of this opening is, what's the name?
That's it.
Queens, Remember, we're gonna have two different. It's similar. Yes.
Come here.
Queen's Gambit accepted. Okay. So remember, this is the Queen's Gambit accepted opening because when you take the pawn, that's the accepted. Okay. Next opening I show you, it's gonna be the Queen's Gambit declined, where he's declining taking the pawn. So again, when he takes here, you play e3. The idea behind this move is to protect your center and also open the diagonal for the bishop. Now he plays d5. You play a4 attacking. If he plays a6, you simply captures, and you win the rook. And if he plays c6, you take, he takes, and queen f3. And it's a very strong move. It's a trap, and I actually won some games myself also with this idea. So, but since we're on this opening, I want to just ask you a question here in this position. For example, in this position,